I pulled up here, Charlie, just to have a look around for you, to have a look at the trees that are not in the desert. So I'll let the commentary take over and enjoy the footage. Here we are at Society Flat Falls with large trees. There we go. We're just going to go up to this, whatever this is, large tree. And it's a Kauri pine. Used for panelling and veneers. However, it seems to be quite tall. You wouldn't want that for... Oh, we'll just continue right along here. See what the little walkway's got to offer. Nothing. Oh. Heavens. Something happened. Wonder what that was all about. I don't know what that is. A different Kauri pine, maybe. A paperbark satin ash. How quaint. And a little creek. Very relaxing. I'm not quite sure how further this is going to go. I don't want to get dark on me. I think I should have taken the keys out of the car. Oh, there's a nice tree fern. Look at that. A gadagi. Okay, Charlie, what's this thing here? Gadagi. Never heard of it. Man could be walking for days here. A brown walnut with beautiful tree ferns right up the top there. I wonder what's living up there. Heaven. Everything eats it. Cassowaries, birdies, kangaroos. Heavens. A very nice tree. Okay, what's this here? Some kind of obstacle course? Do I have to get over this? Oh dear. Here's a tree that was there, but something happened to it. It got chainsawed. This Queensland walnut fell over. It didn't actually fall over. Well, that's very nice. Jesus, look at that. Right, way down there. God, looks as though there's been a little bit of flood here. Now, we're looking for turtles, but I really can't see anything there swimming around. Patapai, I see a butterfly. No, and up this way, it's really hard to see anything. certainly overgrown there. Looks as though we had a bit of a storm through here by the looks of this. The old national parks have been busy with their chainsaws. Evans. Well, this bloke, he's still standing. This is a rose gum. A rose gum. Goodness me. They're a tad high. Look up there. A rosy the gum. I'll just give you an indication of these trees aren't particularly small. See? Up there. Yeah, right up. Oh. And here we are back at the entrance. Anything in there? Yoo-hoo-hoo! So we've just done the walk back at the Carry Pine over to the True and Faithful all-terrain Hyundai, and we'll continue right along. So we've just completed the Society Flat Rainforest circuit walk 720 metres. So, God, I'm exhausted. I walked a kilometre. Okay, thanks for watching.